Single owner, low mileage, and in absolutely excellent condition. Welcome to Priyank's Automobile. Suddenly, STOP. Don't buy yet.
Okay, let's take a look. It's been making a funny noise.
Yeah, I see an oil leak and the engine's vibrating.
What does the scanner say? Looks like a few issues to address.
Its DAX working first. The dashboard reads 8,000 kilometers.
Yeah.
But let's look closer. Warrants look closer. Warrant steering wheel, damp.
The tread is quite low. See the wear here.
We'll need a full alignment to fix that vibration.
Extensive rust throughout. We'll need to weld and paint this. Let's do a full laser alignment check now.
Welcome to Priyank's Automobile. Let's review your policy. Your insurance expiry is June 15 and your claim history is clean. Ownership transfer is complete. Welcome to Priyank's Automobile.
Here are your digital records, invoices, and completed service book.
We ensure comprehensive, regular maintenance. A second-hand car can save you money, but only if you inspect it properly. A second-hand car can save you money, but only if you inspect it properly. Spend 15 minutes checking these 7 things before you buy.
Follow this page for daily car buying tips, insurance claim guidance, and expert automobile advice.